Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Excel app on your laptop. There are a few primary ways to acquire this powerful spreadsheet tool. You can opt for a Microsoft 365 subscription, which provides the full desktop application along with other Office programs. Alternatively, a one-time purchase offers a perpetual license for a specific version. We will also touch upon the free online version, which is great for quick tasks. The most common way to get Excel is through a Microsoft 365 subscription. This service provides access to the entire suite of Office applications, including Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, with regular updates. You can subscribe directly from the Microsoft website, choosing either a monthly or annual plan. This allows you to install the full desktop applications on up to 5 different devices, ensuring you always have the latest features. If a subscription isn't for you, consider a one-time purchase of Excel. This provides a perpetual license for a specific version, meaning no recurring fees. For basic needs, the free Excel for the web is an excellent option, accessible through your browser with a Microsoft account. Additionally, free mobile apps are available for tablets and phones, offering convenient on-the-go editing capabilities for smaller tasks. Once you've purchased a license or subscribed to Microsoft 365, the next step is installation. You'll download the installer file from your Microsoft account page. Run the downloaded file and simply follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Finally, sign in with your Microsoft account to activate Excel and begin using its powerful features immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.